So my name is Kelly. I am the owner of Kelly's Scribbles. This is a small art business that I started about a year ago. And so my next thing was just kind of getting out there and getting on YouTube and taking what I've learned as a self-taught artist and letting other people know what I've learned through experience and stuff, and then kind of sharing my art journey with you all. And I want to take some more accountability for my art and kind of share, what I do digitally and what I do traditionally, and, work through the mistakes together, work through our victories together, and kind of share what I've learned through Procreate as a self-taught artist, so maybe I can help somebody else. Some of the things that I've done, let me grab a couple, have the corgi, and I also have this piece. I have learned a lot through watching other artists, and I think that that's a tool that everybody could utilize. So this is basically video one, just an introduction to who I am, what I do, what kind of stuff I like, just me putting myself out there. And that's the first step. I think as creatives, we are often, really like, what do they call that? Introverts. There you go. There's the word I'm looking for. So we're introverts, and it's hard to put yourself out there. You're always worried about the criticisms you're going to get on the internet, what people are going to say, but don't be. The only way you're going to grow as an artist and a creative is to put yourself out there. Do you. That's the most important thing. You do you. And you can learn so much, and you can grow so much in that amount of time. So, like I said, I'm a self-taught artist. I've learned almost everything I know from other artists on Instagram, through stuff I've found on YouTube, through stuff I've researched. And if I can help one person change the way that they do art, or maybe, give some tips out or something, then I think that I've done pretty well for myself. And that I've accomplished something. So that's kind of what the blog is going to be about, products that I like, things that have worked for me, what don't, operating and navigating through Procreate, because it is my favorite go-to app. I love my iPad. It is the tool of all trades. I would not take anything in the world for it at all. I do digital art. I do traditional art. This is my latest piece. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's the little corgi. And then I run a small sticker business on the side. The link for that will be in the description box below. And then everywhere you can find me will be listed below. So TikTok, I'm on TikTok. Don't really know a whole lot about TikTok. I'm still learning. But we can learn and grow together, right? That's kind of the whole point of the vlog, is to keep myself accountable for my art, put my art out there in a new place, and then learn how to, navigate all the social media stuff together, because I think that's how we honestly grow and get, that feedback that we need to grow. That's something, you got to learn too, is how to take the feedback and turn it around into something positive and be like, okay, well, they didn't like that, but who cares? Other people liked it, or I like this about it. And, that's something you've got to learn to take, and you got to kind of take it with a grain of salt. The internet is a crazy place. You're always going to have haters, and that's just how it works out. So, y'all can probably hear one of my 3 kiddos running around in the background. She's 3, so I'm a mommy, I'm an artist, and it's been a rewarding journey. But I look forward to sharing this with you all. I plan on doing about 1 video a month. If there's more than one, kudos. But I'm planning on doing at least one YouTube video a month, so you'll probably expect at least one more this month, since this is kind of the introduction. And then I am going to start doing them once a month, possibly twice a month, and it's just going to be different vlogs, like what I'm doing in the studio, what I've learned this month, who my favorite artists are. But I'm so excited to start my YouTube journey with you all and to put myself out there and do something different, because it's something I've wanted to do for a while and I'm just now getting the guts up to do it. I'm like a lot of beginner artists, you know, it's just getting started. So I want to thank you all for sticking around. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I already have some shorts up of some time-lapse art that I've done on Procreate if y'all want to check those out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to share what I love to do with you all. You all have a great day.